Hello guys, welcome to another beats making episode. It's your boy SD Music. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how I made this Afrobeats instrumental in FL Studio. Without further ado, let's get started. On pattern 1, we have this percussion. Alright, not too complex of a sequence. And also take notes, the beat has not been properly mixed down. I thought it would be awesome to show you the step before the mix down. So we're not going to be mixing today. Maybe in some other episode I'm going to make a video about mixing the beats. But today I'm going to show you how the beat sounds before the mixing and mastering stage. On pattern 2, we have another variation of the pattern 1. Can you hear the difference? On pattern 3, we have this flute melody. It's just a sample. So after that, we have the pad instruments played using Hive. Then we have the 808 play out. After the 808, we have this dark bass. This was achieved using Toxic Biohazard. After that, we have this kick and the snare. Okay, then we have a clap and the thumb. Moving on, we have a piano melody. Then we have the sine bass. This was played using Nexus. Moving on, we have this melody played also using Hive instruments. Then after that, we have this lead guitar played using Morphine. You can see it. Let's go. Then moving on, we have this support chords to go with it. This comes at interval times on the beats, just to create some instant at some point in the beats. That's good. We have another one, which is this chord. It's a choir sample. Right click on it, takes it to the piano roll, and have this laid out. It's good. And before we move along, let me just show you some of the drum rolls that I'm using on these beats. This one is a riser. I'm using this one. Good. So that's one of the drum roll I'm using today. Okay, let's start reviewing the beats from the chorus section where we have most of the instrumentals present. Let's start from here. Firstly, we have the percussion instruments. most of the instruments and the beats. So I'm going to fast forward to the verse 3 section, and we're going to listen to some part of the chorus again, and we're going to round up for today. Let's go. By the way, the beat's gonna be on my website, and my website is currently under construction.
SD Music.
Alright guys, that's a blast. Before we leave, I'm going to show you how I accidentally made a new instrumental out of this instrumental just by adding halftime to the master track, which I don't know if it's a good idea. Please let me know in the comment section if this is a good idea. But by the time I did this, I swear I love it. I love the way the track sounded after I added this configuration from halftime. So let's take a look at it and we'll be right back.
SD.
I definitely thought that was a nice one.
SD Music.
Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, please click subscribe to catch up on our previous episode. Till I see you next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and peace to you.